Hello YouTube. Right then, as you can see, I've been thinking about this for days of how to do this, and I decided what I needed was a substructure, something to put the roof on that's going to follow the curves. Now cardboard would do it, other stuff would do it, but I'm trying this way, so I'm going to see if it works. This is just the foundation to the roof. It's just something to put the roof on to keep in place. Then I'm going to set the roof in place, and this will be, it'll stop twisting as well, but the idea is there. So all I'm doing is I've got a bit of cloth, which used to be a pair of my old trousers, and I need some super glue. Right, doesn't matter how messy this is. So what I do, take my cloth, fit it so it just matches there, and I put a little bit of glue on here, just a little bit. Take my cloth right up to the top, press it down, there we go, press it down, and the glue soaks in and sets almost instantly. And we pull it across, put a little bit of glue on here, pull it across tight and rub your thumb on it, and that sets it. Yes, you do get glue on your fingers. And we just do up the line here, doesn't matter about mess. Next door neighbour's left his gate open. Pop it up, smooth it off. Same on the other side. Move it across, tighten it up, and go down. A little bit at the top. The other side. Get the cloth laid on. You can see this one's a lot messier. Yeah, this was a pair of trousers of mine. Running out of glue, running out of glue. There we go. Pop it on. That'll do. Yeah, the glue's run out. Take that off, get some new glue. Let that set for a few minutes, and then we'll trim off the excess. Okay. Then, done one already. You see it's looking halfway decent. But yeah, I'm just trimming the excess off. That's my finger, not the excess. Thank you very much. Be careful with blades, people. This is a very sharp blade knife. I'll just lift it up. Gently do down the ridge. Next does not put the gate on the latch. All the way down to there. Preempt that. Same again on the other side. Just lift it up. Can you see that? There we go. Done. Glue. It doesn't have to be neat. This bit is a bit cruddy, so we'll cut that off. So you're going to put ridge lines down here, so that's going to be hidden anyway. Yes. Just clear the top a little bit. This is all going to be hidden anyway. And that is the basic structure of my roof. Now we have to strengthen that up. Right, that's glued and in place. Fix my finger. Thumb. Now, fibreglass resin. This is probably well off, I'm going to be honest, but for this, so we can get the lid off. Right, so we've got this fibreglass resin. It's probably well out of date. And what I hate about these things is they put little holes in the bottom, so you can't do this and reuse them. Oh, that's well old, well gloopy. Just a generous dab. Yeah, I need to get some more of this. It's well gloopy. But it should suit our purposes. Then our hardener. It's a pea to a golf ball, isn't it? Doesn't really matter. That'll do. Then our sacrificial brush. Let's give that a stir. Spare rod somewhere. Give it a really good stir. Nice, yeah. It's like honey. There we go. What am I doing that for? Do that instead. Right. So take a brush and just smear it in. Doesn't have to be neat, doesn't have to be clever, just the foundation. See if this will work. That's got it. Just going to do these ends here, just to seal the wood up. And a bit in the middle, around the edges here, just to seal the wood up. And use the excess to just coat those ridges. Make sure we've got full saturation. Doesn't matter if it drips. Need some there on the top. There we go. while I'm at it, let's seal up the wood edges on here. Put that on there. So, just to use up the excess, I'm just going to seal up the ends here. It's going sticky, which is good. Pop that back. We can pop that back up there. There we go. There we go. That's better. On there. Right, that's that done. Let that set, and then we'll do the next bit. Take care, stay safe. Goodbye, YouTube.